Good morning. For those of you who don't know me, my name is John Caldwell, and I'm the marketing coordinator for Ardent Stratus. In continuing on with the conversation about productivity, I think it's important to really understand what productivity takes advantage of, which is our second most precious asset inside a business. And it's the one that's equally as irreplaceable as data, which is our time. The time of the business owners, the managers, and the employees are, once expended, never to return. And so when we talk about productivity, it is really about utilizing every hour available to its highest potential. For instance, week before last, I was helping a business with a PowerPoint presentation. And I had prepared it, did several of the slides, put some really interesting graphics and some other things in it, moved some video into it, saved it, and then I had to turn it over to them. Well, I went to their office, I logged in to the system, opened it up, and because I have the authority to do so, I was able to take that file, copy it, and then paste it down to their desktop, so I didn't have to email it. So that documents remained secure. They went to open it, and there were errors because they were using Outlook or the Microsoft 2003 version, and of course we have Office 2010. So the PowerPoints had incompatibilities to it. What ended up happening? Well, that person ended up having to go through and spend an additional 4 hours of their very precious time redoing the PowerPoint so that that functionality was put back in, or to replace it with something else. So a couple of the videos weren't able to be played in it, for instance. So when we think about productivity, it really isn't about making sure we're always busy. I mean, we do that enough now. We process paper 3, 4, 5 times. We process emails 3, 4, 5 times. We think productivity is simply pretending to produce, and it's not. It's really about maximizing the time that we spend on something to get the highest and best use from it. And this is where, again, something like a hosted private cloud or even just a public cloud service like Google can really enhance productivity, because you can create a document and you can save it to a centralized space for everyone who has access to it. And then you can send an email to those who need to know that, hey, it's here. Take a look at it, give me your feedback. And they can, using the exact same software, because they're on the system so everybody's compatible, log in, look at it, give you their feedback, and not run into compatibility issues. So it speeds up the process. We no longer have to send emails around and around in a circle. It's there. Look at it, log in, play with it regardless of where you happen to be. Here, New York, even Australia. So again, productivity is really about maximizing the benefit of that time. Hope you have a great day. Look forward to talking tomorrow.